Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I do with my eggshells. Have them back there. I save a bunch of my eggshells for my daily use, and I prepare them for my garden to give my garden some calcium. Cheap way to do it without having to buy it. So if you're interested in seeing that, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I save my eggshells. I just keep them in the crate when I crack them, and then when I finish with it, I just put it to the side and save it. And when I get enough, I'll go ahead and put them on a cooking sheet. I got 2 cooking sheets here for that purpose. I think it was maybe 4 cartons. I get the 2 dozen cartons from Costco, so it was 4 of them. And what I do is just, those are some I just crunched up. I had in a bowl from where I boiled, and I was going to put them in the garden, but I was like, no, I want them smaller. So what I do is I take them and put them on a cookie sheet, and then I put them in the oven for about 10 minutes on 425, and you'll see. Got my oven on 425, and I'm going to bake them for about 10 minutes, and then we'll take them out and put them in the blender, so stay tuned for that. Got them in the oven and they're ready. You get the browning from anything that's left, so it is fine. And now we will go ahead and put these in my blender. I'm going to use my Vitamix. I'm just going to have to wash it out really good after I finish. I'm going to need my little thing. Oh. And I just dropped them on my floor. Luckily I hadn't already cleaned it. But this is all you do. You grind it up really good. Try not to drop them on the floor and get them everywhere. I have to vacuum them up because I'm so freaking clumsy. And I don't feel like getting them up, but as you can see, that's what they look like on the inside. You want to turn them into powder, almost like consistency. You can put them in a little sprinkler, like a little spice jar, and sprinkle it. even these ones that are already broken up, I'm going to use my fish spatula and dump them here. And I'll probably use this to get the ones up off the floor that broke. As soon as they hit the floor, they broke. But when you put them in the oven, it dries the shell out. So they're super duper crunchy. And it's a bunch on the floor because I think I dropped 2 or 3. That's all I can do. Put the top on again. And you can see right around 6, and it's now a powder. Let's let you see it. That is the consistency. Just a fine powder, ready for the garden. And what I do is put it in either a mason jar or a seasoning jar, and I save them. Okay, I poured it all in this jar. It is a pickle jar. Use my funnel. Just got a little teeny bit left, so I just sprinkle that in my houseplants. And yeah, that is it. We find the top for that. Somewhere around here. And then we'll just make a label for it so we'll know what it is. So this will be calcium for the garden. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. And once I use it, I'll come back and show you guys how I use it in the garden. Put it in the hole right before you plant something, or just sprinkle it throughout the garden in the soil. Especially during the winter time when you are preparing it to overwinter. But yeah. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.